how to subscribe Prime Video subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can subscribe to Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Prime Video subscription can be taken from the app, but the easiest way I would recommend you do is to simply open your browser, because Prime Video is just one of the Amazon Prime subscriptions. So open up your browser and then just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will also make sure to drop a direct link below. Then over here just log into the Prime account or the Amazon account on which you want to get the Prime Video subscription. As you do that, you can see it says they are giving us 30-day free trial of Prime, so we can just tap the start your free 30-day trial option, where you'll be able to see all the Prime benefits that you get. You'll get fast free delivery, exclusive deals, popular movies and shows. Now from here just make sure to select your credit or debit card and then just tap on the continue button. So once you enter your payment method and then you tap on continue, you would have successfully bought Amazon Prime subscription. Then after that you can try to open the Prime Video app. If it doesn't work, try to log out and log in and you will see that you have an active subscription. So that is the easiest way I would recommend you, which is from your browser. So this way you can get the Prime Video subscription. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.